major development for Bengaluru's future growth, the Karnataka government has signed a statement of intent to prepare a comprehensive economic master plan for the Bengaluru Metropolitan Region. The state government has partnered with the ISEG Foundation to develop a data-driven roadmap aimed at shaping the region's economic future with targets set for 2032 to 2037. The blueprinting phase is expected to take 4 to 5 months and is likely to be completed by mid-September. Officials said that the plan will include a detailed assessment of the region's economy benchmarked against leading global city regions and will identify key growth drivers along with 6 to 8 high-impact interventions across sectors such as technology, manufacturing, biotechnology, tourism, housing, infrastructure and sustainability. The initiative is modeled on the G-Hub program led by National Institution for Transforming India ISEG, which focuses on boosting economic growth and job creation in high-growth regions. The government aims to double Bengaluru's economy by 2032 and position it alongside global cities like Tokyo, London and Singapore. To ensure effective implementation, a steering committee chaired by the Chief Secretary has been formed, with representation from key departments and agencies. The Chief Commissioner of the Greater Bengaluru Authority will act as the senior nodal officer, while industry experts, private stakeholders and citizen groups will also be involved. Progress will be reviewed quarterly by the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister. Currently, the Bengaluru Metropolitan Region contributes over 43% of Karnataka's GSDP, has a population of around 16 million and a GDP of approximately $149 billion. Its per capita income stands at about $8,850, nearly double the state average. The ISEG Foundation has previously developed similar economic master plans for cities including Mumbai, Visakhapatnam, Kashi to Vindhya and Pune. With this ambitious initiative, Bengaluru is aiming to strengthen its position as a leading global economic hub in the years ahead. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.
See, we are looking Bangalore, though we thought that Niti Aayog will take up this initiative. They did not take it up. So Bangalore Metro Regional as a world-class hub, we wanted a growth hub, we wanted to create, so we are given this responsibility to them. Within 4 months they will give the plan. The entire state government, all our sectors, important sectors, we will cooperate with them and we will take it planning, because what has to come where is very much important. So we give 42% of the exports and our growth is too high. We are contributing to the national capital. We expected Niti Aayog to include this. We are surprised that they did not do it, but we can't wait for them.